Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to cancel a scheduled email on the Gmail application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then click on this letter icon down below on the left side corner of the screen, and then tap on the menu icon at the top on the left side. Click on scheduled, which is the fifth option. Tap on the email, and here you have the scheduled email, and you can see what date it is scheduled for. And if you would like to cancel it, tap on the cancel send button on the right side next to it, and as you can see, it has been cancelled and reverted to draft. So if you want to check it out again, you can go to your drafts and find the letter in this category. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.